In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to set up passcode on the following device. As you can see right now, you can smoothly unlock it just by swiping, but if you would like to protect your Apple a bit more, just go to the settings, find and pick Face ID and passcode, go to turn passcode on, and now enter the passcode that you would like to apply. Use anyway, even though it's not a good protection. I know it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can also log in with your Apple ID, but I will not do it right now. Just let me set the passcode only. Give it a couple of seconds, and afterwards this password will be required. So now, as you can see, you need to enter the passcode at first, and now you can use the device in a normal way. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.